Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the tricky idiom Catch-22. It's a phrase for a no-win situation where every choice leads to a problem, leaving you stuck with no good way out. It's about that frustrating moment when you're trapped. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. Need a job to get experience, but need experience to get a job? That's a Catch-22. You're stuck either way. You must submit the form online, but the website's down. Total Catch-22. There's no way to do it. You need insurance to drive, but can't afford it without a job. What a Catch-22. It's a tough loop. To join the club, you need a friend's invite, but you need the club to make friends? Classic Catch-22. You're caught in a bind. The idiom Catch-22 comes from a famous 1961 novel by Joseph Heller called Catch-22 about World War II pilots. In the book, a Catch-22 was a rule that said pilots could avoid dangerous missions if they were crazy, but asking to be excused proved they weren't crazy. The term became popular in American English for any impossible situation where the rules block every solution. Use Catch-22 to describe a situation where you're stuck because every option creates a new problem, especially in chats about work, rules, or tricky choices. This phrase has a clever, slightly frustrated tone and is great for casual or thoughtful conversations. Be careful in very formal settings, as it's a bit informal and tied to specific dilemmas. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.